there. I just wanted to visit real quick and make an announcement about our workshop that we have tomorrow, Thursday, April 15th at 4 p.m. And I opened it up to a vote about the topic, and we had 2 votes for Circle of Fifths and 1 vote, I said that backwards. 2 votes for planning practice and 1 vote for Circle of Fifths. So even though Roger voted first and he said pretty please, I'm gonna have to go with the 2 votes that win, but I do have some plans to help you out with the Circle of Fifths right away. So let's take the announcements in order. Tomorrow, Thursday, April 15th at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time, which is Texas time, Chicago time. That's when we're going to have our workshop on planning practice. More about Circle of Fifths in a minute. We'll visit for about 30 to 60 minutes, and if we feel like we've covered planning practice well enough for the time being, we can just open it up at the end for questions about anything, including the Circle of Fifths. So I think that covers it for the first workshop. Oh, and in the planning practice workshop, we're going to use these handouts, and these are available on my free instruction page. So yeah, I'll be sending out that link. If you're on my email list, you'll get the link to my free instruction page. And if you want to get on my email list, go to the link in the description underneath this video and sign up for my email list. And let me know if you have any trouble getting these on time. Okay, and then here's the blank practice plan. And then, oh, I didn't tell you what this is all about. This is about the 3 phases of skills acquisition, and this is based on very extensive, widely accepted, well-established research about how the brain works. And so we're going to understand how our brain works, and then we're going to use what we know about how the brain works to plan our practice. And that way we get more effective practice in. And there's another practice plan, which just has a couple of additional notes on the side. So that's for tomorrow's workshop, and I'm going to post these right at the top of my free instruction page to make it easy to find. And I think that covers it for the first workshop. So about the Circle of Fifths, let's schedule that. I think, Roger, did you also ask for Saturday? Somebody asked for Saturday. So May 1st is a Saturday, and that's when we'll have the workshop on the Circle of Fifths. And I'm going to leave the time open for now and take suggestions for the time. But I will say for me, the best time is from 11 a.m. till about 5 p.m. as a starting time, Central Standard Time, Texas time, Chicago time. So we'll talk about Circle of Fifths on that Saturday. And what I'm going to do, and we'll have, I have a nice, I really like the Circle of Fifths that I made for y'all. And there's a blank one, so we're gonna learn how to make our own. And it'll probably be easier than you think. And these are PDFs. I'm also gonna put these on my free instruction page right away, so you can have those. And I'm going to record a separate lesson right now, as soon as I sign off on this one, and post it as soon as possible. Just sort of like a really brief intro to the Circle of Fifths, and that will give you something to work on between now and the Saturday workshop on May 1st. And maybe we'll even get more out of the workshop. When you try to use something and you run into problems and have questions, that really prepares your brain really well for learning something that sticks. And so look for that video also about a brief intro to the Circle of Fifths. I think I'll call it that. I'm not sure. Okay, well, and then we'll have a third workshop probably a couple weeks later about about music theory. And well, let me show you I'm not sure how soon I'll get these up on the website, but the 3M, which helps us understand and apply music theory, and the empty one that you can learn how to fill out on your own. But we'll come back to 3M when it's time for that third workshop. I'll see you then, and I hope to see you tomorrow at the live workshop. Bye.